Hi. So in MATLAB, you also have the ability to create what we call simple one-line functions, also known as anonymous functions. All right. So what we can do is we can give a function name, for example, fx equation. All right. Just any name that you like. All right. And then you put the @ sign. Alright, and then you can pass in or specify the argument list, or what you call the input parameters. So let's say I only want one parameter, which is x. Alright, and then I can specify the expression, okay, all in a single line. So I can say, for example, x squared, okay, or x cubed plus 2 times x plus x, something like this. Okay, or okay, anything that you like. All right, now once you specify the function, all right, or the expression, you can just press equal, and that automatically gets added to the workspace. So you can see in the workspace we have a fx equation, and the value is the actual expression, all right, where x is the input parameter. Now how can I use this? I just call fx equation, in this case the name of the function that I've created, and since I have one input parameter, I pass in any input parameter that I like. So for example, if I want x to be 2, I pass in fx equation 2, and what it will do, it will compute for me the expression based on the input value of 2. So 2 cubed is 8, okay, 2 times 2 is 4, so 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Alright, so as you can see, the answer here is based on a value of 2 being passed to this expression, where x is now 2, and you compute the answer for this expression here. Alright, so this is an easy way, alright, where you don't have to go through creating a new script and so on, alright, and you just want to test out some expression very quickly. Alright, you can do this directly in the command window itself. Okay, so that's one of the things that MATLAB provides. Okay, so I hope this gives you an idea of how to create these anonymous functions, or what we call simple one-line functions in MATLAB. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.